In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Shopify subscription. First of all, open your Shopify account. On the home page, click on the name of your store from the top right corner. Click on the Manage Account option. Then on the next page, click on the Security option. On the right side, scroll down to the bottom. You will see the devices in which your Shopify account is currently logged in. Click on the Logout option to simply log out from your account. Also, if you have any login activity on this page, just delete them and disable the authentication method by turning it off. Afterwards, go back to the Shopify dashboard. Click on the settings from the bottom left corner. On the left side, you will see different options. Click on the second option, Plan. At the right side, you will see the option to cancel the subscription. As I have the trial version, so here I have the option of Cancel Trial. But before any further procedure, make sure to uninstall any paid application that you have ever linked to your Shopify account, just in case, so that you don't get charged for its further subscription. After uninstalling them, click on Cancel Subscription as I do on Cancel Trial. Then the deactivation of your store will start. Next, you have to select the reason for deleting your account. Different options are available. You can choose either of them. I will go with this one. Then click on Continue. Now enter your Shopify's account password here. After entering the password, click on Deactivate Store. Now your store has been successfully deleted.